Well, hello there, everybody, and welcome to Ladder. Got the beautiful River Taff just down there. I don't know if you can see that there. We may even get to see. I don't know if we're going to get to see the famous waterfalls that are down here, but I think we will. But I think they're also the other way as well. Anyway. What we're going to do for today's vlog is concentrate on two stations that I know are very popular with enthusiasts and also represent the changing face of Cardiff transport as it stands. And those two stations are Cardiff Queen Street and Cardiff Central. In other words, it's a train spotting afternoon in Cardiff. Boy, so we're just going to wait here for I think it's the 1440 that we're waiting for to take us to Cardiff Queen Street. It goes to Cardiff Bay under the changes to the timetable. Basically, the changes to the timetable are made. So, basically, the only one that's really stayed the same is the one that goes to Rumney. Because I think there's still Rumney Barry Island. There's now a Caerphilly Terminator. What was the Pontypridd service now goes down to Cardiff Bay. And then does Cardiff Bay back to Queen Street, and then Queen Street back to Cardiff Bay and back to Pontypridd. The Corriton train now goes down to Penarth. I think it interworks with the Caerphilly Terminator from Penarth. So it's all. I think the only one that really, like I said, really hasn't changed is the Bugoed and Rumney services, which go down to Barry Island. They're the only ones that really haven't changed. So yeah, 6 minutes time. We'll see who takes us to Cardiff Queen Street. She be coming round the mountain as she comes. She be coming round the mountain as she comes. She be coming round the mountain, coming round the mountain, coming round the mountain when she comes. Ah, hello, it's 152.50. Mr. Goose, I think you wish to claim this one.
We are now at
Indeed it is at Cardiff Bay, boy yo. Boy yo, boy yo, boy yo.
I Ynys y Bari. Yn galw am Nghaerdydd Canolog, Grangetown, Cogan, Eastbrook, Dinas Powys, Tregatwm, Doced Bari, y Bari ac Ynys y Bari. Platfform 3 am y gwasanaeth 6 munud I 4 o'r gloch Trafnidiaeth Cymru I Ynys y Bari.
The train now approaching platform 3 is the 1554th transport for Wales, service to Barry Island. Grangetown, Cogan, Eastbrook, Dinas Powys, Cannockston, Barry Docks, Barry and
Here's a dirty, dirty, dirty flirt. That's properly dirty. That's a dirty flirt.
Sân, Tron D, Gaff, Maes Teg Hale y Wedi a Maes Teg. Platfform 4 am y gwasanaeth 16 munud wedi 4 o'r gloch Trafnidiaeth Cymru I Maes Teg. Pan yn ymuno â'r tren, byddwch yn ofalus o gap rhwng y tren a ymyl y platfform, os gwelwch yn dda.
the next train to arrive at platform
Right. Red card for 197112 for bowling superior 153 super sprinters. You don't just bowl it, for Christ's sake. Goose Lord, man.
Will be ball game. Right. Make my way to... Shall I go to the hotel or shall I go to get my dinner first? What time is it? Oh, by the time I got my dinner, it's past. I should point out, as I'm on my way back, that Cardiff's new bus interchange is finished, folks. Finally, it's finished. Now, we were going to do that today instead of the 2 vlogs that we, well, 3 vlogs I should say that we did today, but we're saving that for next year. We're not saying when, but we're saving that for next year. And we've just been treated to Greece. Right, let's go. Get some dinner. Oh, look. There's an MMC I can cross now, actually, can't I? Yes. That is number 554 T code. That is number 554. Shut up. My channel. I doth decide what is being recorded, and on this channel we love MMCs. Look at it. Look at how beautiful it looks. There's another one over there. Ah. That one there, Tico, is number 552. Although, speaking of, hello, Citaro alert. Yeah, that's the exit to the bus station there. Keep that in mind. Mind that. I've got to do my homework on that bus station before anything is exchanged. You idiot. Okay, folks. I'm not going to show you me because I've got my shirt off at the moment. But I've hit the jackpot with this room. I've hit the big time jackpot. I got a view overlooking the new, well, I say overlooking the new bus station. I've got a couple of things in the way, but fuck yes. We will take this. Oh look, I see what's in the bus station. You tong me tong he tong pi tong. And there we have it, folks. Cardiff's train stations are changing dramatically, and I mean that. If you think to yourself, what about let's say 5-10 years ago, Cardiff Queen Street would have been a hub of literally 150s, 153s, 150s, 153s. Now it's turning in almost into... It's going to get unrecognisable very quickly with the 756s due imminently, I would say. I would say they're definitely due imminently. At some point. And then Cardiff Central itself, well, like I said, 5 or so years ago, those have been a hub of DMUs and HSTs and 158s and 175s. Now look at it. It's 197s, it's IETs literally all over the place. You get the odd super sprinter, you get the odd networker turbo as well. It's just changing dramatically. And I reckon if we came back here in 3-4 years time, practically all the DMUs would be gone and it'd be bi-mode central. That's what I think. That's what I truly think. But anyway, thank you very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed that. If you did, leave a like. Don't forget to subscribe if you've not already done so. Thank you to the channel members as well. Your continued support of the channel does mean the absolute world to me. If you want to become a member just like everyone else, it's $3.99 for a membership. We're getting 3 vlogs a week out. No issue. It couldn't be much better. So, like I said, thank you all. Hope you enjoyed. And I will see you all for the next one. Wherever that may be.